guys, this is Dr. Imran from Medics. So key points to remember for antepartum hemorrhage for Plab 1 exam. So first of all, definition, what is it? So antepartum hemorrhage is PV bleeding from 24th week until delivery. That's the definition of antepartum hemorrhage, from 24 weeks. Very important point. Two things you need to know: placenta previa, placenta abruption. Two things. You need to know the difference between them. Okay? So with previa, so what is it? The placenta covers the cervical os. There's two things in it: placenta previa major and minor. So what is major? Major covers the total of the os. Minor is close to the os. The placenta is close to the os, or is partially closing the os. That's the minor. Now, with regards to this, for the exam, you need to know the patient is going to have bleeding, bright red blood. Okay. Number two, painless, no pain. The abdomen will not be tender. Okay. Placenta abruption. So, what is that? When the placenta detaches from the uterus and there is bleeding. There's two things. The bleeding can be concealed. Okay, it's in the uterus, it's concealed, not visible, or it can be revealed, meaning the patient has bleeding. But the blood in the exam, they will not say bright red blood, they might say dark blood. Okay? They commonly associate for the exam bright red blood for the previa and dark blood for the abruption. Number two, the patient is going to have severe abdominal pain. So they will have abdominal pain, abdomen will be rigid. Okay? The uterus, woody feeling, tender, woody feeling. Patient will be in shock. You must do CTG, check for fetal distress. Previa abruption. You need to know the difference. Previa, painless. Okay, abdomen is relaxed. It's bright red blood. Okay, abruption, painful. Okay, abdomen is tender. Uterus is woody feeling. So please look at our lecture notes, lecture videos in detail for antepartum hemorrhage.